Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. Today I'm using a Canvas Tarp and my mini Kodak Luma 150 projector to make a New Year's wall decoration to be hung over my mantel. I absolutely love changing my decor to celebrate the holidays and the changing of the seasons, but I have limited space to store decorations, so Canvas Tarp is a fabulous way to decorate a large area with an item that can be folded or rolled up nice and compact and be stored away till the next holiday season when you're all finished. The first step was to figure out what I wanted to say on the tarp and then the font I wanted to use. Then I simply laid it all out in Pages, or you could use Microsoft Word, in a document, and then I cast it onto the canvas with the projector and simply traced the words onto the tarp using permanent markers. I decided to paint the edges of the tarp with some black paint to give it a bit more definition. Then once all the tracing and painting was finished, I hung the canvas over my mantel. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.